like a Hellcat.
Yo guys, welcome back to my channel Bisawati Creations, and today's vlog is that we're making a silencer for my lovely bike ROTOR BMX NV of Hero Company. So let's see. The materials required are a tape, an old book which is not useful, and the scissors. And the step one is to cut how many pieces do you want for your cycle to be, so that the sound will be so good. You can cut those many pieces, and here I am cutting 6 pieces. No, sorry, 5. This is one of the piece, and one more piece I'll be cutting now. Okay, we finished cutting. Now we are having 5 pieces of this book cardboard. Now we should tape it so that it doesn't move anywhere with this tape. Another tape. Oh no. Now we should stick straight boards so that this should be harder. And one more thing, this side.
Great.
Let us check the sound. Yeah, this is okay, I think so. Yes, this is okay. Okay, now we'll try to fix this. Yes. Now we need a tape and scissors. Wait, I'll bring scissors. Even we could use credit card instead of this. We don't have credit card, so we use this. But credit card may break. This will not break. So it's good for this to keep. We should stick it very
takes a lot
carefully.
of time for sticking,
We should stick it very carefully.
and we even hard, so that it will be stiff and sound will come more.
ఎక్కడెక్కడంటే చల్ శివ నువ్వే చూడాలి ప్లీజ్.
Now we need more tape.
We need more tape to stick this, or else it will remove. See?
This tape is enough, I think so.
No, we need more.
I think enough.
Yeah, it is.
Now we have to round it like this.
From here.
Tape has been sticked, I think so.
No, it came.
It's too tight tape, so it will
Sticky
be
tape.
worked out.
Sticky
It
tape.
will be worked out. It's good even actually.
Three.
I need some more tape.
Yeah. See, it's these strips are there, right? It should come above these strips. This card should be above this strip. You want to see? See over here. That's right. It's above, right? So it should be above this.
And
Strips.
when you are riding with this, you need to not go backside. As if you go backside, the credit card, credit card is there, it will break. And this, you should not go backside.
Or else the
Or
tape
else-
will remove.
The tape will be removed,
And
and
this card will be
this
removed.
card will be broken.
Okay guys, it's done.
Now let's check it.
Let's check the sound. Ooh.
Wow, it's good.
Wow. Now
We'll have a ride. So guys, it's nice, right? And I will be back with another vlog. Till then, bye bye, and make sure please subscribe, like, and click the bell icon for you to get all the notifications what all vlogs we all make. Thanks for watching.